it's me, Quayla. So today I want to share with you guys a package that I just received in the mail. I'm excited about this because you guys know that I do like my certain stuff. So let's go ahead and open this box real quick. I'm gonna kind of keep it a surprise for you guys until we get this box open. I just got the Sun 5 Pro 72-watt UV nail dryer. Now you know I'm excited, girl, because I ain't been able to do my nails because I ain't had no nail dryer, okay? So I'm excited about this right here. Let's go ahead and open this up. So of course this is said to be smart, painless, hard gel curing. So it also says that it has double curing speed, which means it's twice faster than others. It does have a time memory function, which is great if you're doing nails all the time. Sometimes you just want to be able to push that one button and have it going. You don't want to have to sit there and push the settings, which is perfect. It has a smart sensor, so if you put your hands in, it's gonna start working, which I love. I love those ones that I go into nail salons, put your hand in there and it just automatically comes on, so that's great. It has a digital time display, and it also has a temperature protection, which is really important. So let's go ahead and let's see what's in the package. As you can see, it is a full-size nail dryer. It is the 72 watt. It comes with the AC adapter inside of the package. And let's just go ahead and pull this out. It does come with a quick user manual. This is just a basic one-page manual. It tells you what's in the package, the functionality of the device, and it also tells you just about other basic information when you get, an electronic device. So of course it is nicely wrapped up inside of this foam wrapping, and this is the UV dryer. So let's go ahead and give this a try, okay? Then I'm gonna grab the AC adapter. So the AC adapter does go into this connection here. Just gonna slide that in. So actually, this is a magnetic connection. So you can, if you need to, you can always lift the top off and then you just close it down and they can put both hands in. I'm excited about this, guys. You know I have been wanting to do my gel nails. I have not been able to do my gel nails because I didn't have a UV dryer. My UV dryer stopped working on me a little while back. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the functionality. So it does have a 10-second button where you can put it on for 10 seconds. And then the timer goes. It has a 30-second timer. As you can see, the timer's going. It has a 60-second timer. And then of course it does have low heat mode and double, also the power button as well. And don't forget that you can also use this for your feet, for your pedicures, for your gel pedicures as well. So guys, this is the package that I got today. This is the Sun 5 Pro UV dryer. It's 72 watts. It has 4 different time settings, and it does also have that automatic activation when you put your hand in, low heat, and it is absolutely amazing. I'm super excited to get some nail designs out of this. Definitely check the link down in the description box for this item. You want to get this on Amazon. It's super inexpensive. It's only about $35. You can grab this today on Amazon and let them know that I sent you. See you next time, guys.